Hi, today I would like to draw your attention to a paperwork, a Canton kitty. This Canton kitty is semi-finished. I'm still working on it, and after that I will paint it black. It's not difficult to make one. What you need is time, plenty of time, and a box. A big box will help. So it will be perfect if you are doing self-quarantine like me, and it will be a perfect way to dispose of your Amazon boxes. You can make one for decoration, for your friend, or even for your cat. But not sure if they will like. Before we proceed, I would like to introduce my YouTube channel, Eric Sivo and WhatsApp to you, which cover various topics for big boys. Mac modification projects, Chinese lantern DIY, tech review, RC buggies and ships, artwork, Holy Land tour. Most of the videos are conducted in English. Some of them are conducted in Chinese language, but I have tried my best to add Chinese, English, and Japanese subtitles for each video. If you like my work, please subscribe to this channel as an encouragement. Now back to the topic. The Canton kitty is started from this blueprint. You can print it out and scale it to any size you like. I'm using the actual proportion. Cut out the main body and the ribs from the Canton paper. And then mix some tannins with a scissor. After making the tannins, you can join the body and the ribs together. Now we have a structure of the main body. Next, cut the legs of the kitty. Here they are. Make 4 other sets of tannins so that the legs can join with the body. There's no strict rules for the position of the legs. Just make your very own decision. You may also make your own legs instead. Now we have a walking cat pose here. Next is to strengthen the structure of the cat by folding the canton into C-shaped objects. I insert the cardboard in between the ribs of the cat to prevent the ribs from moving back and forth. This step is important. Initially, I used the glue, but it takes a very long time to dry. So later, I used the hot glue instead. Precaution when you are using a hot glue gun. Wear the safety glasses and heat protective gloves when you are using the heat glue gun. And keep the hot glue gun away from flammable objects. I apply the hot glue at every joint of the cat. The structure looked rough, but it doesn't matter because it will be covered by paper completely later. Now randomly get a piece of canton, cut and strip. Like this one. Apply it onto the legs of the kitty with hot glue. to make the legs look like three-dimensional. Do the same on each side of the legs. But it hasn't finished. We have one more step further. Next is to add pie-shaped canton paper into every portion of each of the legs. This is to make the legs of the kitty more three-dimensional. Keep a distance of 3 centimeters between the pie-shaped canton pieces. This is what the leg looked like after finish. We have just finished the body and legs of the kitty. Our next step is to make the neck and the tail of the kitty. After that, we will make the head and cover up the body of the kitty.